Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am now up to posting video number 2 today. I got 3 subscription boxes in the mail today. So if you guys see me with the same outfit on and the same makeup on, it's because I filmed everything all in one day because I love you guys so much. I want you guys to all see what's coming out in all the subscription boxes ahead of time. So I wanted to get these videos out for you guys. So I'm gonna try to film all 3 today. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unboxing. So let's see what I got. Alright, so the first thing I see when I pull out the stuff is a brush. It wasn't in the actual makeup bag because I guess it's too big to fit in here, or it may dent the brush. But this brush is right up my alley because you know Aisha loves pink. Pink is my favorite color. Oh, this is so pretty. So it's a Farrah brush. This is what it looks like. And then this says blender brush 225 EL. Oh, I love brushes. Yes, very nice, very nice. All right, let's see what I got. I forgot, what was my choice? Did I choose the brush? I think the brush is what I chose. I'm not sure. They do it so far in advance, by the time you get it, it's like you forget what you picked. Alright, so let's see. This card is a little different. Alright, so this card definitely doesn't tell us what's in the box. Yep, that's all that it came with. So, alright, so I guess in this, they don't tell you what you get. It just says, get that glow. This has nothing to do with what is in your bag. So I don't know. And then it tells you how to do like your highlighter, your powder, liquid, and cream on the inside. And then it tells you about add-ons. It says save the date 5/21, choose a product. I know in my BoxyCharm, they normally sometimes have, like, save the date. They tell you about, like, add-ons and stuff like that. So I guess Ipsy's trying to do that. But I wonder why they didn't tell us what the prices and everything is this time around. You win some, you lose some, right? Beggars can't be choosers. So let's see what else I got. Alright, so invigorating hand and body lotion, sweet orange and LME 100% natural. Let's smell this and see. Want to smell? Smells good, right? It sucks that I can't let you guys smell it, but it smells exactly what it says, like a sweet orange. Smells really, really good. Let's feel it. It's hard to get it out. Look at this. I can't get nothing out. I can't get nothing out. This thing does not want to come out. All right, before I get this all over the place, let me see if I put my hand. Oh, it's really, like, thick. Hand and body lotion. It's, like, thick. You know how, like, if something freezes, like, if you put, like, lotion in a car, it gets really rough and thick? That's what it feels like. It's really, really, really thick. All right, let me feel. Okay, so this is something that, like, maybe for my body. For the hands, it may be too, like, greasy. But it smells nice. I love the smell, and my skin is very dry, and especially with what's going on now, I'm constantly washing my hands because I'm so, like, paranoid. I'm like, is any germs on my hands? I'm constantly washing my hands, so you can never have too much hand and body lotion. I can't tell you the prices of anything because I didn't get a card or anything like that. Alright, so what else did I get? I got the Tarte H2O lip gloss and Hang 10. Then I got a lip gloss called Lasting Smiles in Peach Blossom Organic Lip Balm. Let me smell this. This smells like like a candle. Like, you know, when you go into Bath and Body Works and a candle smells so darn good. This reminds me of like their sweet scenting candles. Love this. What else? Oh, let me show you guys the bag that they gave us. How nice, right? Very springy, summery. The last thing I got in here, no, this was my choice. This was my choice, not the brush. The Kiate Fair Slicks. This is a liquid liner. Actually, I'm not even going to open this because I literally get a liquid liner or mascara in every subscription box. So I got to stop opening all these liquid liners because I just opened a liquid liner from my BoxyCharm unboxing that you guys can look at. So I'm not going to open another one. I'm going to wait so that way, because these dry up, the lifespan start once you open them. But so it says this one, once you open it, you have 6 months to use it. So I'm going to just hold off on opening it. A liquid liner is a liquid liner. But this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can put where it says the... Can you see? This is it. All right. So that is everything I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I feel like you guys ever watched Sesame Street and they had Count Dracula and he's like 1, 2. I feel like I'm like Count. Yes, but these are the 5 things that I got. For $12, I got all of these things. Not too shabby. I got a full-size liquid liner, a full-size brush, a full-size lip balm, a mini lip gloss. Is this gloss or like a liquid lip though? Oh, it says lip gloss. Mini lip gloss. And some lotion. I mean, not bad. For the price I paid, this is why I love subscription boxes. Definitely got my money's worth with this. This one in particular never does you wrong because it's so cheap that like you honestly and truly, you can't go wrong with the subscription. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my new YouTube channel. On this channel, you're gonna find a lot of unboxings. I subscribe to a lot of subscription boxes that are makeup related. Subscribe to my new channel and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye!